Hello again. All right, this is part 3, I guess. This is the switch. This is the light tracking thing. Fucking, I don't know. I copied a lot of the code from our reaction timer, just like the Millis stuff. So how did I set up this code? This is pretty interesting. I thought you might notice there's only one photocell there. That's because I'm really lazy, and honestly, getting these things to like connect has been kind of a pain. I'm surprised that this worked as well as it did, but there's not enough of these connectors with the female adapter. Okay, so there wasn't enough of that to like actually set that up the way that it's supposed to be. And quite frankly, like I don't know why we need two photoreceptors when we can just use the strategy that I'm about to show you. So this is basically the same code as step 2. I added these variables. This variable doesn't need to be there. Whoops. This is just for Millis so that we can keep track of that 10 seconds and make sure that 10 seconds has gone by. And this light and last light. Pretty simple variables. The loop hasn't changed at all, except down here I added a delay. No, that was there before. You reset the time, and then you do this other function called step or follow, which I created. So step or follow is the same as step or go to, because I literally copy pasted it, except everything in the middle is different. So I had a while loop, and I said, God damn it. I said while I is less than time being whatever you put into follow. Here I put in 20,000. Originally it was 10,000, but I wanted to, like have enough time to actually demonstrate that it was actually following. So I doubled it to 20 seconds, but it's in milliseconds. So 10 seconds is 10,000 milliseconds. I put in 20 seconds though. I set the last light equal to reading, whatever the photoresistor had. And then I printed that. That's just debug. And I said, if this last light, if this light is more than last light, which remember they both were 0 at the beginning. So it's going to say yes the first time through. Then you just take time and you update I. And you keep updating I until it hits 20,000 in this case. But if it's less, then that just means that you've moved away from the light source. So you flip the value of this variable that I called P because I got bored and I just wanted to be done with the assignment. And then I move. Oops, sorry. What is P? What is P? P is just a number. At first I tried 1, that way it would step 1 time each time, but that was too slow. And then I tried 2, and then I tried 6. And I realized just like, you know what, just jack that number up, and it's 12 now. And 12 seems to work pretty well. That's why you saw that wiggling. Wait, have I showed you yet? I'm not sure. Yeah, and then you just move P steps. And if okay, so like theoretically what's happening is, let's say the computer monitor is the light source, right? If the light source is giving off light and the photocell moves like this, it's going to be getting less light. So whatever direction it just turned, just like say, hey, no, go in the opposite direction. P equals minus P, right? And then move that step again. And then if that's right, if the light source got brighter, so you turn to face it, you turned in the correct direction, then just keep going in that direction for the next step. And then that'll put you over here. And then, from this step to this step, the light got dimmer. So reverse direction and then move again. Pretty simple stuff, honestly. And if you didn't want like wiggling like this, then you just decrease the steps to be like 1 step, and then it'll kind of just wiggle like this and you won't really see it that much. Yeah, and then right at the end, you just make last light equal to this light, and then you go through the while loop again because you're still stuck there because time hasn't run out. Okay, so let's show. Okay, I turned off the. Oh, you know what? I gotta turn off the light in my room too. There we go. All right, this red light should be like the brightest fucking thing in the universe to this photocell. So. Okay. So it goes around. Oh, you can't because of the wires. Okay, now it's moving back. Hopefully it goes past that.
Then it's going to go to it. Then it's going to start tracking. Oh, it caught that light over there. Let's see if we can get back to red. There we go. There we go. Okay,